Welcome to Why Festo Electric Drives, a series of short videos explaining and showcasing some of the most unique features of the Festo CMMT servo and stepper drive family. Today, we will be showing the benefits of using a CDSB operator panel with a CMMT servo drive to quickly export parameter sets from Festo Automation Suite to multiple drives in the field. This allows for commissioning a servo drive with prepared parameters for serial machine production without individually connecting to and configuring each drive. This system includes a Festo 24-volt DC power supply, 3 CMMT EtherCAT or multi-protocol servo drives, virtual servo motors, actuators and cables, and 1 CDSB operator unit. The first setup has been completed for the first servo drive, which I am now connected to. You can see my first setup is complete as noted by the drive, motor, axis, and adapter kit configuration shown here. First, I will download the parameterization of drive 1, which is for system 1 from Festo Automation Suite to my CDSB operator unit using a USB connection to my PC by navigating to the operator unit, selecting my device, clicking Add Current Configuration to Operator Unit, clicking Default or Extended, and then naming the configuration. Once it has been saved, I will disconnect the USB cable and hot plug my CDSB into drive 2, which is for system 2. Before doing anything else, I'll disconnect from drive 1. Return to my home page, disconnect my Ethernet cable from drive 1, and connect it to the X18 port of drive 2. Now I can update my scan, detect the new device, which you can see is at a different IP address, 192.168.100.215. After adding the second drive to my project, I'll open its plugin. You can see that it has been set to factory defaults and has no configuration. I'll disconnect my Ethernet cable and show the rest of the process with no Ethernet connection, only using the CDSB. By stepping through the CDSB menus, I can select a drive, service, load parameter set, and the parameter set that we saved, x-axis parameter set, is visible. I can now activate that parameter set for the second system. Select it, click OK to download parameter set, After waiting a few seconds for the parameter set to download, you can now see that the second drive is now configured. I'll verify this by logging back into the plugin. Reading the parameters from the device when connecting, you can see that it has been configured just like the first servo drive for System 1. I will now repeat this for any additional systems that are identical to the first. After a reboot, the third drive is configured just like the second and the first, and you can continue this for any number of drives or systems. While slight tweaking may be required, use of the CDSB in combination with the CMMT AS servo drive family is great for serial builders who may have systems to configure quickly, or for maintenance teams looking to reduce downtime installing a factory replacement for a damaged drive. You may not even need software to configure these maintenance replacements. The CDSB is an invaluable tool. Stay tuned for additional videos on why you should consider Festo electric drives.